This is a short-term rental tour of the Elmwood 12 South. It is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath unit located in the 12 South neighborhood of Nashville, Tennessee. You come up into this cute little entryway and there is a parking space and EV charger that I'll show you later. It's got this keypad entry. You get a personal code for your stay, so it's very secure. And you come right on inside and head up one flight of stairs to what will be your home in Nashville. I had the privilege of helping build and decorate this space, and it's just really special. So the first thing you see is this full kitchen. It has everything you could possibly need: dishwasher, oven, stovetop, microwave. This great coffee center. There is some Keurig coffee provided, but if you want to go buy your own grounds, you can do a pot as well. And there's a French press. Got dishes in here. And then there's pots and pans down below. There's kids' dishes, silverware, truly everything you could possibly need. It's just a really, really beautiful space. And then turn around and you've got this living area. So this couch does fold out into a very comfortable sleeper sofa. So if you're traveling with 2 people, you don't want a bed share, or if you're traveling with 3, this unit does sleep a max of 3. You can pop somebody on the sofa bed. These really cool hatch prints are super Nashville, but also just really beautiful. And then we've got a little record player over here, so you can spin some vinyl, some of our favorite records down below. This also doubles as a Bluetooth speaker. So if you want to just pop, Spotify on from your phone, you can do that as well. Little reading nook, and we have light filtering shades that pull up from the bottom or down from the top, but these curtains are blackout panels. So if you've got somebody sleeping on the sofa bed, you can pull these curtains all the way closed and create a much darker environment for people to sleep. Do have some kids games and such if you're traveling with a little one right inside this entertainment center. And then Scrabble and a game console that would be more interesting for adults if you want to just pass some time. And we do provide YouTube TV as a cable TV substitute, and then you can log into all of your streaming channels on our smart TV. So move into the bedroom. This gorgeous queen bed is so comfy. And this is a storage bed. So if you are sleeping on, if you're using the sofa bed as well, all of those linens are just right down here. It's all set up for you. And you can put that bed together. There's also a storage drawer on this side right here that pulls out that has additional linens. So if you get here and you need an extra towel or whatever, you can look in there. And a huge closet. Definitely can store all of your clothes and suitcases in here. There's a yoga mat, and that little QR code does have some workout recommendations for the neighborhood. Laundry basket, luggage racks, ironing board, vacuum, extra pillows. Truly, we have got it all in this closet, and some additional laundry essentials. But let me show you. If you need to do some laundry during your stay, we totally understand. And there's this awesome laundry closet here. So we do have dryer sheets and laundry detergent right here in this basket, and then the additional laundry items in the closet. There's a full-length mirror right here, so you can make sure you look your best before heading out. And this dresser is completely empty, just for guests to use for storage for clothing. Okay, the bathroom might be the showstopper of the whole unit. It is just truly stunning. So I love this wallpaper, and there's just so much counter space for a single sink and all the amenities you need there. But if you forgot something left at home and you see something that you really are without, it is fully stocked down here. So I have some toothbrush, shaving kit, feminine supplies, hair dryer, curler, straightener. I mean, anything that life could throw at you, you can probably solve in this bathroom cabinet. And then we have this gorgeous shower It's amazing. Marble, rainmaker kind of style head there. And then we do provide shampoo, body wash, etc. And then I love this little niche down at the bottom right here is actually for ladies for when you shave your legs. You can just prop your foot up in there. So just such a cool little unique design. So here is your parting glance at this amazing bathroom. And I'll leave you with one last view of the bedroom here. There's also some amenities tucked in these nightstands, like a battery powered alarm clock for if the power ever went off in a storm, etc. And of course the living space one more time. And kitchen. So there you have it, the Elmwood 12 South. And I will pop a photo on the end of this video of the parking space that does have a complimentary EV charger. So if you're driving an electric vehicle, this might be the place for you to stay. Thanks so much for checking it out.